Want to kill time like a pro?
Learn SUDOKU. SUDOKU not only helps you improve your mathematical skills but also focus your attention. Let's start with the basic rule of SUDOKU, which is you need to have numbers 1 to 9 in this whole column, 1 to 9 in this whole row, as well as 1 to 9 in this whole box. But they cannot be repeated once again. That is the critical point of this. And also there's a rule, if there's 1 over here, which is on this line, and there's one over here, which is on this line, there has to be 1 in this line. In this line. Now, is there any space on this line for 1? There's only this space for 1. So there goes 1. See how simple this is? But not all levels are like this. You need to slowly go from easy to expert level through this way. Next, we have 2, 2, 2. 2's done. Let's take 3 boxes and do them. Remember that this, for example, there's this. There are 3 boxes you can take this way also, this way also. So in this way, there's 3 on this line. There is 3, no 3 on this line, but there's 3 on this line. Which means on this line there cannot be any other 3. There has to be 3 somewhere in this box, this, or this box. Check the line if there's any other 3. If there's no other 3 in the box is empty, there cannot be a 3 here because there's already a 3 in this line. Right? So this box will definitely not have a 3. There'll be a 3 on this or this. So write it down with a pencil. On the side, 3, 3 for the possibilities of a number being there. At the end, we'll be able to find whether this will be there or not. Then we have 7, 7, and then on the up, there'll be a 7 here or 7 here. But if you notice, there's already 7 on this line, which means there'll be 7 here. So we write it down. For the numbers we're sure, we write it with pen. For the numbers we're not sure, we write it smallly with pencil. In that way, you can solve it. Another thing to remember is that we can use these 3 boxes as well. If there's a 7 here, there's a 7 here, there should be a 7 on this line as well, which is here, here, and here. Just like how we check horizontally, we also check vertically. And that's how you can solve the SUDOKU. And now we're done with this. To excel in SUDOKU, start from basics, then go to expert. And for fixing your capability of doing it, start low. So practice more and more of easy questions that you can find online, check the answers, and once you're ready with it, go for the medium. Coming with the next video, which shows you how to do the medium questions for SUDOKU. See you soon.